Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're talking sheetrock today, and we're talking sanding. And it fills the house with dust, right? No, it don't. Wait till you see what we've got. We're dust free. So what we did was we got this sandpaper. You can see through it. See the holes? All right. Is we got this in 120 grit and we got an 80 grit. We used the 80 grit to rough the drywall in. Then we used 120 grit to finish the job. What's interesting is this has this handle that's hollow. You put the paper in there, and then I put some duct tape, but you can see what I got on the other end. Come check this out. So there's a shop vac on the other end. The shop vac sucks away all the dirt, so we're in like Flint here. We don't get any dust in the house. It's all through this tube right here and into the shop vac. So if you're going to do sheetrock in your house you're living in, get yourself all this stuff off of Amazon. I'll send you the links where you can find it all and support the channel. So there you go, another how-to quick from My Two Good Hands. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Support the channel. Go use the link to go to Amazon and shop for the items here or anything else you want. It all helps support the channel at no cost to you. We're keeping it free for you. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. If you see an ad you like, please click on it and look at it. Thank you very much.